Hey guys, it's marcraftsy here again with another plan with me, and this time I am decorating a blank page because I've run out from my printables, and since we have only 2 weeks left from August, I was thinking about why not decorate a blank page for me. So the first part of the video will be me decorating this blank page with the bits and parts of the planner printables that is offered for free on the Cocodaisy website. So I hope you will enjoy this part, and I will be back when I start real planning, and please enjoy. So as you can see, I am almost ready with the adhering and with my decoration, and I really like it. The only thing to do is to cut the parts off and let it dry for some minutes.
Longer than a few minutes later.
So yeah, welcome back, and hope you have found this part if you wanted to skip my decoration part. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what to talk about because this voiceover is almost 1 week later than as I have recorded this video, and I am actually sorry for that, but we were on vacation, and as you can see, oh, I love this page. I really love it how it turned out, so I'm sorry. So anyway, I have watched this video again so that I will know what I did, and I did everything as I do things normally. So I stamped out this week. I adhered my habit trackers on the other side of this flip out page, and because we are on vacation, I decided that why not decorate to the fullest. because it's so pretty. I really love this August kit, and I really don't want it to end. And actually I am a bit sad that I haven't ordered one more or two or three more of this August kits, because they just so pretty. And yeah, as you can see, I am adhering my heavy trackers as per usual. And what will be a bit new to me, because I leave a section for my meal planning, but because we will have a lot of trips during this week, I won't really plan our meals, because we mostly plan on eating out, which is not normal for us. But on a week off, of course, I don't want to cook, or my husband don't want to cook. He's an amazing cook, by the way. So yeah. And what else? I am struggling with stamps as always, but I still love them. And no, I am not giving up on stamping in my planner, because it looks just absolutely amazing. And I do like my handwriting, as I have said before, but stamps are just fun, really a lot fun, a lot more than my handwriting. So filling out the habit trackers, and after that I will do my columns, and I will actually plan, which means I will plan the trips, and I will plan anything else that goes and comes with it, like preparations, ticket prices, destinations, addresses. And yeah, here I did have a thought to make a life plan with me, and my gesturing is just wild. It's out of control sometimes, and I don't even notice it. So that's why everything is so that's why I am gesturing wildly. So yes, I do think, yeah, I thought to decorate the lower part, or the it's just so funny watching myself. Okay, this time around it's funny, because I really don't know what I am speaking about right now, but I know that I was speaking throughout the video, and because I was jumping from one thought to the other, and not really ending my sentences. I decided, okay, let's do a voiceover, because it's just a hot mess, like usually I am. And here starts the planning part, where I really scribble things down, what I have to prepare for the trips we will take, or we will have. And as you can see, I have this stencil in my hand, which came in the July Cocoa Daisy planner kit, and I am still in love with it. I use it far more than I thought I would. And yes, actually that's the part where I don't really have to explain things, because those are all the trips and the destinations, and maybe some of you can also recognize some of them. So yeah. Oh yeah, in the end I do decorate with some of the stickers. It's fun. Actually, it's fun watching myself gesturing and not knowing what I was saying. I use my notepads. No, I am using this month notepad for taking really notes. Like I have it most of the time in my kitchen or in the, how do you call it, walk-in, or anyway, nearby the door. Entryway or hallway or what, how do you call it in English? I don't know. Help me out please in the comment section below, because I don't know. So I keep it always in an open space so I can use it easily. And yes, I do think these are the last bits I will add to my planner this week. This is how my layout looks, and I loved it and I used it very well. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me, and we will see each other in my next video. Thank you. Bye.